This might be one of the most aesthetic keyboards I've tested. But is it actually good? The Kiiboom Phantom 81 V2 promises a premium typing experience with its acrylic case, gasket mount, and tri-mode connectivity. But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. Today, we're checking out the Kiiboom Phantom 81 V2, a 75% mechanical keyboard with a fully transparent acrylic case and a hot-swappable PCB. It packs Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and south-facing RGB LEDs. But beyond the aesthetics, is it actually worth it? I've used this keyboard for a while now, and I'll break down the build quality, typing feel, features, and most importantly, whether or not I recommend it. Right away, the fully transparent acrylic case stands out. It looks modern and clean, especially with the RGB shine through. But while it's a solid build, it's a fingerprint magnet, so keeping it clean will take effort. The gasket-mounted structure adds some flex for a softer typing feel, though it's not as bouncy as high-end gasket boards. If you're used to aluminum keyboards, this might feel slightly different, but it's definitely more premium than a plastic build. Since this is a keyboard, let's talk about typing feel and connectivity. Here's a quick sound test so you can hear how it actually performs. The preloop crystal switches feel smooth and responsive, delivering a nice clack without being too loud. However, the keycaps are completely clear, making the legends hard to read, especially with RGB on. As for connectivity, switching between USB-C, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz is seamless. There's no noticeable input lag in wireless mode, making it great for both work and casual gaming. After spending time with the Kiiboom Phantom 81 V2, there's a lot to like, but also a few things that might make you think twice. Let's break it down. What I love about this keyboard is first, its unique transparent acrylic design. Just like what I said earlier, the acrylic case really stands out, especially when the RGB is on. It is also gasket mounted for that softer typing feel, hot swappable PCB for that quick switches swap, tri-mode connectivity with low latency wireless, and of course, RGB that looks great, especially in dark setups. Now, what I don't like about this keyboard is first, keycap readability. It's hard to see the legends, especially if the RGB is on. It doesn't have an adjustable feet for angle customization. And last, switch reliability issues. Some switches malfunction after a day of unboxing and using, which could be frustrating for regular consumers who don't have extra switches lying around. So while the Phantom 81 V2 has some great features, it's not perfect. Now, who is this keyboard actually for? If you want a unique, modern-looking keyboard with a great wireless performance and a solid typing feel, this could be a great option. But if you need a highly moddable keyboard, prefer textured keycaps, or want an adjustable typing angle, you might want to look elsewhere. So finally, would I recommend the Kiiboom Phantom 81 V2? The answer is yes if you want a visually stunning keyboard with a solid features out of the box, and no if you're someone who needs perfect reliability and customization flexibility. So what do you think? Would this keyboard fit your setup? Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching this video. Here's another minute of ASMR typing. Enjoy!